Category 1 is pre-manufacturing 3D primary structural systems, more commonly known as volumetric modular. Simply put, volumetric modular describes the manufacture of three-dimensional modules off-site that are then transported and assembled on-site to create a building. Minor finishing works are completed on-site, such as joining, M&E, wall finishes, and joints between each module. These modules include roofing, but the level of finish can vary. They may include external cladding and insulation and can be either partially fitted out or come with all services installed, like kitchens and bathrooms, and are effectively ready to plug and play. Volumetric units can be of any size, but generally max out at sizes which are transportable, roughly 12 meters in length and 3.4 meters wide, effectively the size of an articulated flatbed. The structural materials used are cold-formed and hot-rolled steel, precast reinforced concrete, and timber. Several volumetric units can be combined to make up a building or a defined space within a building, like a classroom. Or, a single volumetric unit can also be a small dwelling. While it has its limitations, mostly around transport restrictions, volumetric modular is seen by some as the poster child for MMC, as it involves the highest levels of off-site manufacturing and is proven to dramatically speed up the delivery of projects. Off-site manufacturing processes happen in factory conditions where factors such as bad weather, for example, don't disrupt delivery times. The prospect of high-speed assembly lines rapidly turning out identical, repeatable modules at scale has captured the imagination of many inside the industry. To date, in Ireland, the application of this category has largely been in the educational and healthcare sectors, but it's becoming increasingly prevalent in residential construction and is well suited to apartment builds.